Hi, welcome back to my channel for returning visitors, and welcome to my channel for first-time viewers. I'm Dr. D, and in this particular playlist, we're going to have an article seminar, and the article title is Home is Where the Business Is, Incidents in Everyday Life and the Formation of Home-Based Businesses by Tim Vorley and Peter Rogers. Here is the title of the article. I'll zoom that in a little bit so you can see. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Those of you that are following along that are not my students, this is an article that can be found on Google Scholar. Those of you who are my students, make sure you comment down below, indicate how many citations the article has, indicate the letter ranking of International Small Business Journal as found on the E.M. Leon Business School Journal list, and indicate whether you think the article is a success or not, and give your reasons. For everyone who is not one of my students, it's always a good idea to look up any article on Google Scholar and see how many citations it has. That gives you some impact for its traction, or some idea for its traction. So I really like this article, even though it is from 2014. I think it's becoming especially germane now with the coronavirus epidemic, and I think that you will all enjoy this playlist. So this is the introductory video. Then we'll talk about the background or the theory that's used. We'll overview the method, and then we'll look at the findings before we wrap it up for a conclusion. Hope you enjoy this playlist, and as always, I invite my viewers to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe over here, and comment down below. Great, I'll see you in the next video.